Myself Pranab K. Mondal. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at IIT Guwahati. My area of interest is broadly fluid mechanics and fluid machines. In particular, of course, microscale transport processes and microscale transport of heat. Hydraulic principle of hydraulic machines and the system design. The course that I am going to offer is a very fundamental course. This course is taught in undergraduate level, postgraduate level, and hydraulic machines falls under the category of fluid machines where working fluid is liquid. In hydraulic machines, there are two important machines: pumps and turbines, hydraulic turbines. Pumps are the very important part, and it is used in different areas. It is used to cater water in a multi-story building. It is also used for irrigation purpose, and it is also used in different industries, and it is also used in power plant industries where again hydraulic hydel power plant where hydraulic turbines are used. Pumps, there are two different aspects while talking about hydraulic machines. First one is their design aspect, second is their operational principles. So this course is very important to students, practicing engineers and industrial people. Also there are many researchers who are working or rather their research in the area on pumps and turbines. In this course, focus will be given on the design of different components of pumps, and very importantly system design, that when we are going to implement or install a particular pump in a system, we need to know that someone should know about their operational principle and what could be their characteristics. I mean, what type of pumps should be installed over there. Like that industrial application, mostly if you need relatively higher amount of head, rather discharge is moderate, in that case normally you go for radial flow pump. On the other hand, if the pumps are used for irrigation purposes, then we normally go for high discharge while low to moderate head. So practicing engineers, students and also industrial people should know about in which place which pumps should be installed. On the other hand, if we talk about hydraulic turbine, this is also important because depending upon the head available, which kind of turbine should be placed to have get a higher efficiency in that particular hydel power plant. So in this course, I will try to emphasize on how to select a particular pump, and before doing so, I should discuss about that how we can design, how we can fundamental principle of operation of pumps, so that while selecting any particular pump, then we should know that what should be the head, what will be the discharge, and depending upon the requirement. So on the other hand, I will try to discuss some fundamental issues of pump, like pump testing, and very important point is that cavitation, that is very inherent to the pumping system. So how, whenever we are installing any particular pump in any system, that how we can get relief out those of undesirable phenomenon like cavitation and all those things. So I will also discuss about those issues, and most importantly I have a little bit experience about industrial system design. So whenever I am installing any particular pump, depending upon the system requirement, so how we can go for selecting a particular pump, how I can select what would be the head and what would be the discharge while selecting a particular pump, that aspects will be discussed. And I believe that the course content will be helpful to the students, practicing engineers, and also the industrial people who are deeply involved in different operations of pumps and also hydraulic turbine. And I believe that undertaking this course, student and some practicing engineer will be of helpful how to design, and particularly how to design a system as far as the pumping system is concerned, how to design a system as far as the hydraulic turbine system is concerned. Thank you very much.